Okay folks, so because it's a new year, this means that you can enter in your P60 that you should receive from work at the end of the year. But your P60 should look something like this here. You sign on to the revenue.ie and this should be the home page you see. Now you go over here and you click into my account. Now last year I did this and I received a little over €1,300, and I know we did it on the Snapchat, and people kept asking for it, say about like even up until 2 months afterwards, for asking us questions what to do and how to get it. So basically, when you click on to sign in, you should already have an account created. If not, you'll have to create one, and I think they send you out your PIN to register and all that stuff, but you just click the register now. If you are registered, you fill in your details, so your PPS number, your date of birth and your password. I'm just going to do that now and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so that's now been done. Okay, so this might be a bit confusing. This is the part that people don't understand, because you have a P60 form, but to get your tax back, you go into review your tax and you fill out your details. Now, again, I don't know if this has any sensitive information. If it does, I'll kind of blur it out, but see where it says here available. So last year I had submitted mine. That's how I got my money back. So this would be for the previous year, so it would say 2017, which is the one that you need to do. Now, as far as I know, if you have your P60 from any years, you can go back as far as 2014 and you can do it for them. But if you just press submit here, it brings up this notice. You press OK. Then it goes, what you will need to complete this form. That's where it says form P60 for you and your spouse or civil partner if relevant, for year ended blah blah blah. So once you click that, I just can't show my bank account details and all that chisel, but it would just basically be like your personal information, like where you live, your bank account details, so they can pay you directly into your bank. Or I think you can pick the option for check. I just chose bank because it's easier. And once all those details are correct, you click next, and they want to make sure that your email address and all that stuff is right. So then this will just be the employer's tax registration number, and that will kind of already be in place because that's where, you know, you would have worked, so that's kind of done automatically. So beside the employee, you click edit. And then this is where you fill out your, I just don't want to show the employer's registration number. So you fill out your gross income, tax deducted, has any of the employment income been subjected to a non-refundable foreign tax, all the shizzle. You kind of just fill all of this out, and then you select update. All of this information will be on your P60, so it's literally just a matter of copying it from your P60 to these little boxes here, and then once that's done, you select update. So your A, where it says pay, is where you fill in your gross income. Then tax B is where you fill in your tax deducted. Then your income for your universal social charge is D, and you fill that in then for the USC, and then the USC deducted, you fill in E for that, and then you just kind of tick the rest of the boxes and stuff. And then you go down, so there's another option where if you get any additional income. Now that doesn't apply to me, because I think it's if you're like a carer to anyone or anything like that. So I just press continue, and then you select your tax credits. I press confirm here, and then you press next. Here it will just say review details. You review them. I've already reviewed these. Okay, everything adds up. So you just press to confirm this declaration, and then you press next, and then you enter your, so then you press submit, and then a little thank you will pop up. I just don't want to show my reference number, blah blah blah, and then hopefully I'll receive whatever tax I'm owed into my account. You press OK, and then bam, it should say submitted.